Welcome, traders. In today's lesson, we're delving into the intriguing world of options trading. Specifically, we'll explore the pros and cons of option buying versus option selling. Whether you're a novice or looking to refine your strategy, this is a must-watch. Let's dive in. First things first, what are option buying and selling? Option buying involves purchasing the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price before the expiration date. On the other hand, option selling involves creating and selling options contracts, taking on the obligation to buy or sell the asset if the buyer chooses to execute the option. Let's discuss the advantages of option buying. One major benefit is limited risk. When you buy an option, your potential loss is limited to the premium paid. Additionally, it provides an opportunity for substantial gains with a comparatively smaller investment. This strategy is popular among traders looking for leveraged positions. Now, let's move on to the advantages of option selling. Selling options allows you to collect premiums up front, providing a steady income stream. Moreover, you benefit from time decay, as the value of options tends to decrease as expiration approaches. This can be advantageous for traders seeking consistent income and less volatility. Now let's get real. Both strategies have their risks. Option buying requires accurate market predictions and timing, while option selling comes with the potential for significant losses if the market makes unexpected moves. It's crucial to have a well-thought-out plan and risk management strategy in place. For beginners, start small and educate yourself. Consider paper trading to practice without risking real money. Understand the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, and vega, which play a crucial role in options pricing. And of course, stay updated on market trends and news that can impact your trades. In conclusion, whether you choose option buying or selling depends on your risk tolerance, market outlook, and financial goals. Both strategies have their merits, and the key is finding what aligns with your trading style. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading! Remember, the world of options trading is vast and dynamic. Stay curious, stay informed, and may your trades be ever in your favor. Until next time, happy investing.